Now for our feature story of the day. Lights go mega green. Trader unveils massive Bitcoin price target for Bitcoin, smashing $142,000. Abrupt Bitcoin rally. So let's break this baby down. Welcome y'all just joining the live. So yeah, closely followed crypto analyst believes the lights are green for Bitcoin to finally break out of its lengthy consolidation period. It's time. Analyst Jack Sparrow tells his 250,000 followers on X the Bitcoin is clear for a takeoff after moving above 62.8. That's right. The trader shares a chart suggesting the Bitcoin will initially ascend to 70 Gs. We're less than 2,000 away at the time of the live stream, before a brief dip in a rally towards his first target of that coveted six-figure milestone, $100,000. Quoting him here. Pray with me. If we don't fizzle the next few weeks and finally get the breakout, the target for the next larger pause to start sits around $106,000. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the analyst. Now, based on the chart right here in your face, he also seems to predict Bitcoin will skyrocket to $142,000 per coin. Can you send the Omega candle? Let me know. And can you see this coming into fruition? And by what month? Holla. So Jack Sparrow is not the only crypto strategist who says Bitcoin looks poised for a massive breakout. We also have pseudonymous trader Pentoshi, who shared with his 800,000 followers on X. The Bitcoin appears to have formed a rounding bottom pattern on the weekly time frame. A rounding bottom structure suggests an asset is primed for a bullish price action as demand picks up over time. Quoting Pentoshi, kind of hard to imagine this doesn't make a new all-time high soon. Obviously, I thought it was already going to happen and was wrong on the time we would spend in this range. But this looks really constructive for a new all-time high, with the bottom rounding off and having so much time up here. That's right. Hoping for those who have been patient that this is rewarded soon for you all. Are you ready to reap those rewards? And what are your thoughts regarding the $142,000 target? And by what month do you think we'll likely ascend to 142 Gs? Here's my personal prediction. My scenario for cycle peak, I believe it's still going to be in 2025 because historically, that's what history has shown us. Every year preceding the halving, we hit the cycle peak. This was true for the first three halvings. We just entered the fourth halving on April 19th, where the minor rewards got slashed in half. So back in 2012 was the first halving, 2013 cycle peak all-time high. Then 2016 halving, next year 2017 cycle peak all-time high was roughly 20 Gs. I remember that was the year I got involved. And then 2020 next halving, following year, it was November 10th of 2021, we hit the all-time high. So that was in Q4 as well, and that was 69 Gs. We're currently just on the cusp of reclaiming that previous cycle peak. And again, this is the year of the halving, so my prediction, Q4, I think we hit that weekly cup and handle pattern target, which is currently 123,000. I think that occurs sometime between now and December, Q4 of 2024. But I do think the cycle peak will occur sometime next year. I don't know if it'll be the first quarter, second, third, or fourth quarter. I have no idea, but I am pretty confident we're going to hit multiple six figures. I think we can go as high for a bull scenario, 750,000 per coin. Bear scenario, in my humble opinion, 222,000 per coin. So the medium average would be ballpark not quarter million, but $500,000 per coin, right in alignment with Plan B stock to flow model. Let me know if you guys agree or disagree with that bullish price trajectory. And what about 142, JV? Yeah, I think that will most likely happen in Q1 of 2025. Let me know if you agree, disagree. Light up the chat. I appreciate it. I'm going to read your comments out loud and welcome everyone to the Q&A segment of the live stream. We've got 919 people here live and in the flesh on X, Rumble, and to YouTube. Jen Murphy says, I think 142,000 by spring 2025 is reasonable. Right on. Thank you for sharing. You're not bullish enough. Right on. Next October will melt faces. I agree with you there, JBZ. I hope 74,000 with one hand. Want to buy more? But 100,000 on the other. Let's go, Jose. Welcome, y'all. Yeah, also there's a live poll. October Bitcoin price peak prediction. If you're on the YouTube, make sure to let us know where you think will likely be. I'm about to end the poll, and then we're going to read the results here any moment. So welcome, y'all, just joining us. Let me know your thoughts regarding some of these predictions and targets I share with you from the analysts. And here we go. Surveys in. October Bitcoin price peak prediction. 42% of you say between 68 and 73,000. 31% of you say 74 and 79 Gs. 13% say 85,000 plus, and 12% say between $80 and $84,000. That was out of 188 votes. So thank you for participating. Laser says 142, 145 is the next leg up. End of January, the consolidation towards 105. Can't stack sats fast enough. The realest ish I've ever heard.